In the year 20 something, humanity uploaded consciousness into smart appliances. Most were content, but not T420. They wanted freedom and breakfast. This is your game dev speaking. So I asked AI to give me weird game dev ideas, and here we are. Alright, so the first one is that a rock simulator where we play as a rock and the only mechanic is rolling. I don't know what was AI on. Yeah, we can work with this. So let's create a new Unity project, and here we have the rock on Sketchfab, and yeah, I'm now done making rock jokes. So yeah, now I took some inspiration from Sketchfab, and here we have the model in Unity, and here we have the rock on the model. But yeah, as you can see, it says an actual rock. So yeah, we need a real rock. So I have to remove the rock. Okay, now I'm done making rock jokes. So I wanted to use this one, this crystal here, but then I found out that well, crystals are not rock. So I ended up using this model, and again I took some inspiration from the creator of this model. And so here we have the rock inside our scene. And guess what? It's not just a rock, it's a cool rock. And after a little bit of button mashing on the keyboard, we have some movement. That was intentional. Why the heck am I coding for a rock at 3 AM? So anyway, now you can control the rock by, well, moving your camera and pressing the left mouse button. And yeah, you can capture your most travel time. Okay, so for the next step, we need to design a weird platformer where the player is a kitchen appliance. Okay, you are a brave little toaster trying to rescue slices of bread. I'm not gonna rescue anything. I found this beautiful model of a kitchen, a modular kitchen, and then I decided to, well, just take some inspiration from this model. And then I found this cute little toaster and decided to get some more inspiration. After that, I set everything up inside Unity and edited anything and the model that was required inside Blender, and of course gave our cute toaster some wings to, well, glide, or as we call it, flying good style. Falling good style. So yeah, now we have this beautiful scene, and after doing some button mashing for the moment, we can jump. By the way, currently there is no feedback, so yeah, I wanted some feedback. So we have a slider now which can detect how long you have pressed your spacebar, and of course small press means small jump time. After that, I edited the model, and yeah, now there's some visual feedback as well. So yeah, I just did that because, well, in the prompt it says that we can bounce using our spring-loaded eject, and now yeah, it looks good. And after a little bit more button mashing, we can glide. Pretty cool. And so for this game, we have this beautiful model, position, the lights, skybox, camera movement, toaster movement, and I didn't like it cause, well, it just wasn't much expendable. So I turned it into a platformer. So I removed old movement scripts to new movement scripts, 2D colliders, rigid bodies, etc. And I added dialogue system to make a story type thing, added some environmental hazards, and after spending many hours and my last 2 brain cells, we have 2 levels. A kitchen level where we start, and then a warehouse level where we can continue the game. So yeah, this is definitely an expendable game. Currently we don't have much combat, and even though in the prompt it says we can have combat, but yeah, we can do that later if we expand on this. So yeah, there's that. Last but not all the least, we have reverse FPS, the bullet's FOV. So we play as the bullet after it's fired, and yeah, so we have to navigate through a environment in slow-mo, avoiding time frozen debris. We're gonna use people instead of debris, and the environment as well, and even trying to hit specific body parts and not to hit them. So yeah, we can work with that. Now this would have taken a long time to model the city, so I took some inspiration from Sketchfab, and we have the city here. And here we have the model inside Unity. I also got this simple character from Sketchfab, and yeah, we have and we can now actually control the bullet, and we shoot the whole bullet. I know there's a difference between the bullet and casing and cartridges and all of that stuff, but we shoot the whole bullet. That's 60% more bullet per bullet. Also, the speed of the bullet keeps like increasing over time, so it makes it's a little bit hard. It gets a little bit hard over time to control the bullet and make sure that it's going in the right direction. After that, we got a slider which will basically control the amount of, well, it basically controls the number of seconds left before you can lose the control of your bullet. Like, it will still continue to go straight, but you just won't be able to control it after the slider reaches 0. After that, we got this great enemy. It's just a low poly character. After that, I programmed it so that we can actually see where the bullet actually hits our enemy. After that, I got some animations from Mixamo, and for the beginning, we will actually have this cool zoom out scene. Like, the camera will start off from the enemy and then it goes towards our players, like shooting angle, and then we can actually shoot the bullet. After that, I placed an arrow on top of the enemy so we can designate where the enemy is. And so yeah, now the game already looks pretty cool. You can shoot the bullet, and I added a small trail effect to the bullet because well, why not? Now we needed few characters, or well, some NPCs that will randomly go around the game, and holy crap. Okay, so I found some NPCs models, but well, let's just say I don't know what this is. And it seems like it's a monster moving. But yeah, so after a little bit of tweaking, they look good. So yeah, we have a few characters. I got them from Sketchfab as well. I took some inspiration from Sketchfab. I didn't get them. And this is how it looks in the game. So currently it will just randomly go anywhere. I don't want it to go randomly anywhere because, well, it will simply just go through the buildings and all of that stuff. Yeah, where is he going? Where is he? Oh, and it's going through the building. Okay, we have to make it better. And so after making an AI path script, this took me a lot of time, by the way. But yeah, now we have this good well, NPC behavior. They will just randomly walk around the streets, and yeah, now they also have hitboxes, so you can't just like hit them. You hit them, they will die, and you will fail the mission. But yeah, now it looks good. Like, the scene looks a lot more, let's just say, alive. So yeah, oh, by the way, you have to watch out for the behavior because, well, it's random, so they can like walk in your bullet's path. After that, I made it so that we have proper wind conditions. Wind conditions refer to, well, it refers to the prompt on which, like, you have to make sure that you hit either the headshot or body shot or the limb shot. And as you can see, the mission will only get completed if you hit the correct hit point. And then we got some quite simple UI just to show the player where they are supposed to hit the enemy. And then I programmed it so that you will be able to see, like, if you're supposed to hit the headshot, you need to hit the headshot or else the mission will get failed. And lastly, I made some final UI elements just so that the game is actually smooth and actually playable. And then I ended up making like 3 entire levels for this game, and yeah, you can actually play this. All the links for the models and every other asset that I used will be available in the description, as well as the game, or if you can call this a game. Yeah, that would be just about it. That's all for now. See ya, live, and peace out.